Lavender tea is made from the fresh or dried buds of the lavender flower. It's a type of tea known as an herbal tea or tisane. This plant is native to the Mediterranean region, including southern Europe and northern Africa. Today, the lavender plant is cultivated in the United States and many other countries across the globe. It's commonly found in household gardens, and the buds can be used to brew homemade lavender tea. Lavender is also frequently used in body care products, cosmetic, and beauty products thanks to its soothing scent. It's commonly used in beauty products to prevent hair loss, even skin complexion, and boost cellular health. Lavender tea is a super easy tea to make, and you can use dried flower buds or lavender plucked from a flowering plant in your garden. You should be sure to turn to fresh flowers, only if you are sure they have been grown organically and come free from pesticides and herbicides. To make an awesome lavender tea brew, we need 2 tablespoons of dried lavender and 250 milliliters of water. Put the water to a small saucepan and bring to a rolling boil. Then lower heat and remove from burner and add lavender flowers. And leave it for about 15 minutes. Remove the lavender buds with a strainer. Carefully pour the hot water into teacups and enjoy the crisp, floral taste of simple lavender tea. You can add honey to turn this simple tea into lavender honey tea. Lavender tea is amazing, and for those who often find themselves tied to anxiety or sleepless nights, this beautiful bright brew could be exactly what you need to get some serious and to boost your overall health and wellness. For centuries, healers have been turning to lavender, and even to this very day. Mother Nature can be a magical medicine cabinet stuffed full of good stuff, and lavender tea is certainly part of this mix. It can help your skin to heal, reduce inflammation and pain, and even keep your immune system in check. Delicious, dreamy, and delivering a bounty of health benefits. Lavender may have hormonal effects on young prepubescent boys and pregnant women. In the boys, it can encourage breast tissue growth, which will be reversed as soon as the person cuts out lavender tea. It has also been linked to mimicking the estrogen hormone, so pregnant women may want to check with their medical professional first. People who are allergic to lavender flowers should also avoid lavender tea, as they may suffer side effects like a rash, throat irritation, and breathing issues. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.